Imagine delivering valuable content and generating leads without lifting a finger today. We unlock that power with Kajabi's automated webinars. First, let's navigate to your Kajabi dashboard from here. Click on Website in the left-hand menu, and then select Pages. On the Pages screen, click the blue New Page button from the options that appear. Choose Landing Page. Kajabi offers a library of beautiful templates. Scroll through and select a template that best suits your webinar's theme for this tutorial. We'll pick a sleek, modern design. Now, we're in the page editor. This is where we'll upload your pre-recorded webinar presentation. Locate the Video Embed section and click to upload or select your pre-recorded webinar file. Once your video is uploaded and in place, it's crucial to save your changes. Click the Save button, usually found in the top right corner. Next, to automate, we need to set up automations. Go back to your main Kajabi dashboard this time. Click on Automations in the left-hand menu. Click New Automation. For our automated webinar, the trigger will be when someone opts into your webinar. Select Form Submission as your trigger. You'll then need to choose the specific form that's connected to your webinar landing page. Make sure this is the correct opt-in form. Now, let's add an action. Click Add Action. We want to add the registrant to an email sequence. Select the email sequence you've prepared to deliver further value and nurture your leads after they've watched the webinar. If you haven't already, you can create a new one here. Finally, save your automation rule. This sets up your system to automatically enroll registrants into your follow-up sequence, making your webinar truly work on autopilot. And there you have it. You've successfully set up an automated webinar in Kajabi, allowing you to consistently generate leads and share your expertise without constant manual effort.